Okay, so these poppets, okay, so you just like do this really relaxing, really calming, really nice to play with. Like, yeah, really fun. So next we'll grab something from the Fidget basket. We got this wacky track. It's you can do these cool stuff and make these cool things, and you can relax it around. Another one, and there's this yeah, it's like a Rubik's Cube kinda. Then there's this where you just try and put it in a place and try and get them to the right colors. So like this is the right color, and then yeah, so can't get it. And then there's these monkey noodles. You can stretch it, really fun to play with. You can stretch it, do 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 do. And then another one. Then we have these marble mashes. You just push this little marble. Yep, super calming, super fun. And then another one. We have a lot. And another one. Then there's another one. And this is the last one of the, yeah. And then there's this thing, you can just press the buttons. You just press the buttons. Makes sounds, different sounds, like click. Yeah, and then these go like that, and then this circle one just spins. This one, and then this goes like that, and then this you just press up and down. Okay, so this is a mocha. You just like squish it like. It's really fun. You can just squish it. There's another one. This is my favorite one so far. And then there's this little pig. This is a little puppy. And then there's this little dinosaur, really cute. And then there's this little cat that has a baby on it. Has a little baby on it. Then there's this, you just flip it over and over and over and over and over. You keep on doing it until you want to play with another one. This is the last one. You move it around like this. Yeah. Oh, and this one is my favorite one.